How to prepare a cover letter for UX UI designers. As a designers, you might have some confusions on how we can create a cover letter, whether it should be a common letter that we can send throughout with a mail or with the resume, or we need to create something different. Yes, of course we need to create something different from resume which is not there in the resume. So it is all about yourself. Resume will have the qualifications of what you studied and with your education, your skills, and your talk about everything, your experience and everything. It should be personalized based on the company which you are applying. Let's get into that. I'm going to mention few steps so that you can create a very perfect cover letter for your resume based on your experience and everything. Let's see. Number one, you have to read the job description carefully to notice what are the requirements from their side and what kind of knowledge you have based on relating to them. So you have to read that first. Number two, do your research. So research in the sense, know about the company, what kind of projects they have done so that you can relate it with yours. See what kind of design works they have done, and don't write a big paragraph, keep it short. Let's try to have only 2 to 3 paragraphs which have 3 to 4 lines in each, not more than that. It might create some visual load to read all through that, so it's better to split up the paragraph and find the right tone or color. It is okay to submit the resume and cover letter and a portfolio with the different themes. Sometimes if it is going to be white and black or same theme or any other color like a blue shaded or a green shaded or whatever it may be, it's your call. So keep it similar so that they'll easily find that all these three things are related to you. So when reviewing it will be easy for them to find out. It can be an add-on attraction towards yourself. To shortlist. Personalize every UX cover letter. So you should not have a common cover letter for as resume. Whatever the company we are applying for, we will have the same resume. But when it comes to cover letter, why some of the companies specifically asking for cover letter is because to know you better, and based on that they will shortlist you. So when comparing with the others, if you have a cover letter about your things, like whatever the qualities that might add up help the company to improve, because it's easy to find the general cover letter that you're going to share with everyone. So the hirers can be easily able to find that it's a general cover letter, there's nothing special in here. If you do specify some things related particularly to their project or to their company, their works, and how you are relating to them and how your qualities will be helpful for them in the future if they hire you. So all this will help them understand how much dedication and interest you have towards their company. Let's see. What is the purpose of the cover letter? When it comes to UX designers cover letter, it should what they expect is how you show yourself personally as also professionally. So your cover letter should also be in the same way. It should be little formal, also informal, but it should not be disrespectful anywhere. It should not feel like taking advantage anywhere. It should have some sort of combination of both formal and informal languages so that it will feel personalized towards them. Consider some of these questions when you write a cover letter. Number one, you should mention what makes yourself as a great UX UI designer. Why you call yourself as a great UX UI designer. Reason for that. Mention those reasons. Number two, what are your relevant experiences? Which domain have you worked on and how much you learned from there? Number three, why do you want to work there, particularly in the company? Why did you apply there? Specify those things. Number four, what are the unique qualities will you bring to help their company to improve? So your cover letter should include answer for all these 4 questions. Now let's see the outline for the cover letter. What is the general structure you can follow? Give the heading including your name and contact information. Don't forget to mention the date and the hiring manager's name and the title, then the company's name and address, and then a warm greetings. The first paragraph can be an introductory paragraph about yourself, your interest, and about your experience, and the second paragraph can be how relevant it is to your company and how much interest you have. Third paragraph, that is closing paragraph, how your qualities will help them to improve their company and add qualities to them. And last one can be your sign off. I've given few of the cover letter examples in the description below. You can check if you want to refer. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful for you. I'll meet you all in the next video with a very great Kannada again. Bye bye.